Click on the link below to get price. The Aceup Energy 4350W gas generator is a versatile and reliable source of power for home use, particularly during emergencies or outdoor activities. With a robust 4,350 watts of surge power and 3,500 watts of continuous output, this generator offers ample juice for essential appliances, making it an excellent choice for homeowners seeking peace of mind during unexpected outages. One of its standout features is the portability it provides. Weighing in at a manageable 95 pounds and equipped with sturdy wheels and a comfortable handle, moving it around your home or to a campsite is surprisingly easy. The compact design ensures it doesn't take up too much space when stored, which is a huge plus for those with limited storage options. The generator operates on gasoline, which is readily available and allows for extended running times, approximately 10 hours at 50% load. This makes it ideal for long-term outages or weekend camping trips, where access to power may be limited. The engine runs smoothly and quietly, thanks to its advanced technology, minimizing noise levels and making it less disruptive compared to other models in the market. The control panel is user-friendly, featuring multiple outlets, including two 120V household outlets, a 12V DC outlet, and a USB port. This versatility means you can power various devices simultaneously without the need for additional adapters. Safety features, including low oil shutdown and overload protection, provide peace of mind while operating the generator. However, it's essential to keep in mind that, like any gas-powered generator, proper maintenance is critical to ensure longevity and reliability. Regular oil changes and routine checks on the fuel system are recommended. Overall, the Aceup Energy 4350W gas generator is a solid investment for anyone looking for a dependable power source for emergencies or recreational use. Its combination of portability, power output, and ease of use makes it a standout option in its category.